Okay, now let's move ahead and understand some of the dating scam. If you just Google dating website or app, about 1.12 crore result would be displayed. These are present to cheat you. Their main motive is to sell your private personal information at a high price on a dark net. Most of these websites are fake or fraudulent websites or apps. Any dating app you install makes your sensitive data available for cybercriminals. These apps ask you for multiple permissions so that they could get administrative privileges, that is the highest level of access to your device. These dating apps use your Facebook login credential or even LinkedIn. Please don't be fooled to trust these apps. A quick pleasure to explore relationship could prove deadly. Some of these dating profiles will offer you a high society call girls for a premium amount to date with them. They will ask you to pay 50% via Paytm, MobiKwik or any wallet payment method. They will fool you as soon as you pay them. Now you forget the amount that you paid, that amount is lost. But my question to you is about why do you need to get into or indulge into something or act in which you can't disclose or discuss with anyone